Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with SEO. First, understand that search engine optimization helps your website appear higher in search results. This increased visibility drives more traffic to your site. More visitors mean more opportunities to earn income. We will cover key strategies to achieve this, focusing on practical steps you can implement right away to start generating revenue. Once your site attracts visitors, several monetization paths open up. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions, often 5 to 10%, by recommending products. You can also sell your own digital or physical products, keeping 100% of the profit. Display advertising, like Google AdSense, offers revenue based on impressions and clicks, typically earning $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. To build authority and traffic, focus on technical SEO, ensuring your site loads quickly and is mobile-friendly. Aim for page load times under 2 seconds. High-quality backlinks from authoritative websites signal trustworthiness to search engines. Consistently publishing fresh, valuable content, perhaps 2 to 3 times a week, keeps your audience engaged and attracts new visitors, boosting your rankings. For long-term success, continuously analyze your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Pay attention to metrics such as bounce rate and conversion rates. Stay informed about search engine algorithm updates, which occur several times a year, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Scaling your content production and outreach efforts will help you maintain and grow your income over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.